when you take the time, when you acknowledge that the vibrational reality exists, and you take the time to tune yourself to it, it's like setting yourself up with a search engine that has searching and finding capabilities, the likes of which you have never even come close to in your human technology through the internet. In other words, this vortex of creation that law of attraction has assembled, all of these cooperative components, big stuff is going on there. It's a reality that exists. If you just take the time to simply find something to bask about, something to appreciate about. Appreciation is the fastest key into the vortex that we know. Meditation is another. Then you can just set aside layers and layers and layers and layers of struggle and sifting and sorting and just get into the vortex. You already did the sifting. It's like you've already done all of the legwork. You've already done all of the data collection. You've already put all of the components for your masterful search in this vortex of creation. And now the one last thing that you need to do in order to have a full-blown manifestation of all the best things that life has caused you to ask for is you've just got to get into the vortex. You don't have to search through the archives. You don't have to do anything other than get happy right now. It's all for the feeling of expansion. And so everything that happens, no matter how it feels when it's happening, every piece of contrast causes an expansion of you into a new place that when you come into alignment with it, you're going to soar in a way you've never soared before. But so many times you say, oh, but in the pain of the contrast, it's not worth it. And we say, yes, it is every single time. Every time something causes you to feel that discord that you call injustice, or you call someone not doing their job, or you call unfairness, or you call even myself not being where I want to be. Every time you feel the discord of something not going the way you think you want it to go, know that there's power in it that has shot a rocket out. And the reason that it is significant is because when you shoot out a rocket, you have the opportunity to get in sync for the joy of a joyous ride. It's not about what anybody else thinks. It's just for the joy of your own ride, period, every single time.